feel like I'm melting.
I know, I feel like I'm on the surface of the sun.
I feel like I'm inside the sun.
Oh, it's so hot today.
Hang on. I have an idea.
Is it to take out all the food from the fridge so we can put ourselves inside the fridge?
No, but maybe later. Let's go to the beach.
I love the beach.
Yes! Hi, welcome to the video. If you're new here to our channel, don't forget to click subscribe. We would love to have you stay updated on our videos as they're coming out. Give us a like, hit that little button. Thanks a lot, we appreciate it. Eric and I live in Valencia, which means we are lucky enough to live a short distance from the beach. And since today is a beautiful sunny day, we are going to go hit the sand. A lot of people who are learning English confuse the long E sound in beach. And sometimes they confuse it with a short I sound and end up saying bitch instead of beach.
You're wearing that?
So it's important to say beach because bitch is another word.
Okay, first things first. What do we need to bring? And what kind of beach person are you? Do you like to play sports, be active, or are you the type you like to kind of lay, read a book, maybe sleep?
I'm a little bit of both.
Got it. Okay, we will definitely need a beach towel and a book and a frisbee to throw around and an umbrella and some sunscreen. Do you love the beach? You might be a beach bum. So a bum is a word we use for someone who kind of doesn't do a lot. They like to sit around. But a beach bum is someone who loves the beach. They're at the beach all the time.
Great, this looks great. But also, I tend to get pretty snacky at the beach.
Don't sweat it. I've got a cooler.
Nice. Okay. What kind of snacks can we bring?
Fresh fruit is a must. How about some mandarins?
Great.
Also something like crunchy.
Yeah.
A little crunchy, a little salty, like some nuts.
Great.
And of course, some cold water.
All right, our beach bag is almost ready.
Don't sweat it is an idiom that means don't worry, no problem. Because sometimes when we get nervous or anxious, like there's a problem, we can sweat. So when you say don't sweat it, it means don't worry, it's not a problem.
Now comes the most important part. What are we gonna wear?
I was just gonna go like this.
Oh.
What, do I not look beachy enough?
We can go beachier.
Let's beach it up. What are you gonna wear?
Well, I used to have this extremely stylish one piece. I looked just like Halle Berry in that James Bond movie. Okay, not exactly like Halle Berry. But anyways, it was very cute. But I lost it at a pool party. So now I wear a bikini, a sundress, and sandals. I know some people wear flip-flops, but I just think they're uncomfortable. A lot of people talk about a beach body, which means a body that is ready for the beach. It means it looks good in a bikini or a swimsuit, and a lot of people want to exercise a lot in order to have a beach body. Maybe that makes sense, but we at Breathe English think that everybody is a beach body. So bring the body you have to the beach, and it's a beach body.
Ooh, super beachy.
Yeah. But I'm not ready yet. I can't go to the beach without my shades.
Sunnies.
Stunnas.
Sunglasses.
You might have noticed we are saying beach-y. We're adding a Y to the word beach. We do this in English all the time. We take any word, really, and we add the letter Y, and it sounds like E. And all of a sudden, that word becomes an adjective. For example, if I want to listen to music that I can dance to, I might say, I'm in the mood for some dancey music. Is this music dancey? Dancey is not a real word, but we use this way to express ourselves all the time.
Wow, there are so many people at the beach today.
Yeah, it's really crowded. But, I mean, it is a beautiful day.
It is gorgeous.
I'm so happy we decided to come.
Me too.
I need to put on sunscreen before
Me
I
too.
burn up.
Me too. Let's take a look around at our beach in Valencia. Over there we have palm trees along the promenade. This is a sandy beach as opposed to a rocky beach. It has some waves, but they're small waves. Over there you can see the port where the ships come and go. But this beach does not have a pier or a boardwalk, which is when you have a wooden walking structure right next to or over the water. We can see people doing typical beach activities like playing volleyball, swimming, playing paddleball, windsurfing, and of course, playing frisbee. There isn't a lot of surfing here because, as you can see, the waves are pretty small. But if you go further out, there are some people windsurfing and sailing and paddleboarding. And the most popular things to do on the beach are sunbathing, building a sandcastle, and taking a dip. There's an interesting idiom that has to do with the beach, and it is to bury your head in the sand, which means that you avoid a problem or an issue. You don't even want to look at it. You stick your head in the sand and do not deal with the problem. Sam and I refuse to bury our heads in the sand, but we did bury something. This has been such a fun day at the beach.
Yeah, it really has. Thank you so much for watching. And we want to know, what's your favorite thing to do at the beach? What kind of beach person are you? Write us in the comments.
And if you haven't, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks again for joining us on Breathe English. We will see you next time.
See ya!
Well, Sam, I think I'm gonna head home. Are you gonna join me?
What do you mean, land dweller? I am home.
So you're gonna stay here then?
Where else would I go? Do you have a fork that I can comb my hair with?
Up to you, mer weirdo.
Ah.